So I have been promising you a studio tour of our Sweet Red Poppy office for a couple of months now, and today is the day. We are finally going to take a look at our studio, so come on in. Welcome to our craft storage room. So this is where we keep everything for our craft projects, any lives that we host, any videos that we're making. So this is like the main stash room. So over here on my right-hand side, this is our sewing IKEA Kallax organizer, and this thing is amazing. It holds so much stuff. I'm always amazed at how much I can put on here. So down here we have all of our quilting fabrics. I actually organize these on comic book boards. It looks like this. It makes them stand up straight, and it's so easy to see what fabric you have. And then I always add these drawers to all of my organizers, and then I label all of them with my Cricut machine because it makes it so much easier to know what I have. And I love that I can kind of hide my scissors, any supply that I might be worried about my kids getting into, I can just put it in a drawer. So lots of things here. Anytime I'm sewing, this is always where I go to pull whatever I need for a project. And then behind me, we actually have our Cricut wall of organization. So this is all things vinyl and iron-on. We have felt and all the things that you can cut on your Cricut machine. If you don't know about a Cricut machine, you're gonna wanna watch my videos about Cricut machines because they are incredible. So everything is here. We have our little Cricut cuties we love. They're so cute. And then everything is just kind of organized by color so that it's easier to find. I find I am most likely to use my products if they are somewhere where I can see them. Like if I can see the color, if I can be inspired by them, I'm more likely to actually use what I have. So the last resort for me is always to put things in here because it's a little bit harder to see. So I like keeping them exactly where I can see them. Over here, we have our dream box. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you probably know how much I love my dream box. This is an amazing product from a company called Create Room. It's actually a local company. And this again holds so much crafting supplies. I'm always amazed at what I can fit in here. It comes with these beautiful clear plastic acrylic totes, which I love because I can organize all of those little small items and I can find them because I can see through. So we have lots of glitters, ribbons, all of our felt balls. I have a felt ball obsession, not gonna lie. Over here, I have all of my washi tapes and ribbons. It actually comes with these really cool little organizers. It's perfect for washi tape because before I had this, my washi tape was a huge mess. Paints, buttons, all the things. It's so nice because I can just find exactly what I'm looking for. I can pull out one of those acrylic totes, and the best part about this dream box is it actually collapses into itself. So I can close it all up if I need a little more space, and then this one closes in as well. So I actually removed the table that comes with this because I like being able to access all of this storage area. But if you buy one brand new, it is going to have a table, which is pretty nice. It can be in either the sitting height or a standing height, which is awesome. And then I do have a light up here, which helps to illuminate everything if you happen to like crafting at night, which I do. Over here, I have more paint. We have all the paint in here. Felt, jewelry supplies, lots of glitter because my kids, whenever they come to the office, they want to do glitter projects. So we have lots of glitter there. Over here, we have our sewing station. This is also from Create Room. It's another amazing product, and you can actually move this, and it has a table that will come up and you can put your sewing machine on it. It's really nice, again, because you can hide everything and it looks beautiful. So it's not an eyesore. I can hide my sewing machine down in that table. This whole door will open up, which is really nice. And it even has a table on the side. So it gets really big, but it also collapses. That's probably my favorite thing about the Create Room products is just they are beautiful to look at. They hold a ton of storage, and then they get bigger and they get smaller. So over here, we have our hallway. We have more storage over here. Again, more of those IKEA shelves that we love. You can see all of this is usually paper storage. Sometimes we'll have food crafting over here, lots of yarn because we're always doing fun yarn projects. And then I like to just sprinkle some handmade things throughout here to make it cute. And then I have to show you this. This is my paper organizer. I have a lot of cardstock paper. it's a problem. But this is probably the best thing I've found to organize my paper because it stacks up so tall. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I'm gonna link you to this below in the description. Okay, over here we have our closet. This is not as pretty as everything else, but it is very realistic. So we have tons of clear plastic organizers. Mostly in here we have Christmas stuff. We have a lot of Christmas. Here at Sweet Red Poppy, we start our Christmas production usually in July or August. So half of the year is spent creating Christmas content. So this is just full with everything Christmas. Okay, up next we have our office. So come on in here and I'll show you around. Hey friends, I have to tell you about these amazing meals that I've been eating lately. As you all know, I have a lot of food allergies and these meals have been great for me and my family. So Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company and they have dishes for a variety of lifestyles, including vegan, vegetarian, paleo, and even keto. I've been paleo for about the past 6 years and it's been really hard for me to find exactly what I need, but Green Chef meals contain a variety of organic ingredients that are perfect for me. After a really busy day in the studio under the lights, I don't have the time to prepare my own sauces or spend a lot of time with food prep. We are all so busy, right? Green Chef saves me at least an hour of time on those busy weeknights. These recipes include pre-made and measured sauces, dressings, spices, everything that you need so you can get more flavor in less time, which is huge for me. Right now, I have a special offer for my followers. Go to greenchef.us/90sweetredpoppy and use the code 90sweetredpoppy to get $90 off, including free shipping on your first box. Again, that's greenchef.us/90sweetredpoppy. And don't forget to use the code 90sweetredpoppy to get $90 off on your first box. As a DIY blogger who loves steps and tutorials, I can appreciate that these recipes are quick and they're easy to make on their own with step-by-step instructions, yay, and even some chef tips with photos to guide you along. What a convenience. One of my goals this year has been to eat healthier in 2021. You can score limited time savings on delicious, chef-curated recipes featuring organic veggies and high-quality proteins delivered to your door contact-free. Go to greenchef.us/90sweetredpoppy and use code 90sweetredpoppy to get $90 off, including free shipping on your first box. So here's Josh. I'm actually gonna let him explain this whole office area.
Hi, I'm Josh, Mr. Sweet Red Poppy. So yeah, this is our office. This is where the magic happens. Kim left a lot of the decorating up to me, so hopefully I did a good job. But on this side over here, we have some of the awards we're pretty proud of. So Kim got the silver 100,000 YouTube subscribers recently. We're actually almost up to 200,000 now, which is kind of funny. So super excited. She also hit 100K on Instagram. So we found this from a cool store online. And these are Kim's paper flowers. So she makes these on the website. You can find those on the blog and obviously our cool logo there. So lots of flowers at Sweet Red Poppy. This is really Kim's nail salon. Kim likes to do a lot of her own nails. A lot of makeup goes on right here. Glam action going on. So also she loves to work on a couch. So on this side of the room, you MacBook users know that like you want to sit somewhere comfortable, whether it's a beanbag chair or some sort of a couch. So I prefer a desk, but Kim loves the couch, and so this is where all the creating happens. So some awesome art for the wall. We also love our whiteboards here at Sweet Red Poppy. So our whiteboards are big for planning. So much changes in blogging and in the industry that we're in, and so we're constantly whiteboarding and changing things. So this is really fun for me as an operations guy to kind of reschedule and redo things and pivot all the time. So, and then there's my desk, which isn't that pretty, but I do love my kids and the lions. Big fan of lions and fathers and stuff. And then we do have this scrum board, which helps us prioritize a lot of our things that we do here at Sweet Red Poppy. So kind of Scrum's a concept in software that we use. So kind of a project management way to manage a business. And we really enjoy that Scrum board and erase it each week and refill it back up. So yeah, this is the office.
So Josh actually started working full-time with me at Sweet Red Poppy in September. So it's been a little bit of a whirlwind as we've adapted to working together and having this office together, but it's been really fun. We definitely have like different strengths. So I'm very much the creative and I control that side of the business. And then Josh works with all of our brands. He sets up our deals. He works on email and marketing, and together it's been like superpower team. We've really loved it.
Yeah, we definitely have skill sets that offset each other. So she's more artistic. I'm much more in accounting, operations, marketing. So it's nice that we both enjoy doing things that the other one doesn't enjoy doing.
That's true.
Which makes it a lot easier to work together. So a lot of fun. We have a bunch of employees now, so it's really grown into a full shop. We have some remote employees, some that come here locally to Utah. So it's been really fun to see Kim turn this from a one-person show into nearly 12 people now. So that's pretty cool.
Okay, let's take you into the next room. Okay, in here is our first filming room. So we mostly use this when we're doing like holiday projects, and then we use this over here as storage for all of our props. So whenever we have a photo shoot, I will come in here and pull props for whatever we're working on. We have a lot of different wood bases that we can use with our Cricut machine and a lot of blanks that we can use. We have all of our Cricut mats hanging up over here. This is probably my favorite thing organization-wise. If you have Cricut mats, you've got to hang them on the wall. We actually just use command hooks and it works perfectly. Over here we have some employees that work here, and our printer. This is my Canon printer that you hear me talk about all the time. Best printer ever, and I have been through a lot of printers. This one's my favorite. We always keep snacks and drinks because I am a big snacker. Pink fridge. How could I not get a pink fridge, guys? So lots of snacks and then all of my drinks. Over here, I have another Create Room product. So this is a table that is collapsible, has a leg that pops out. It's really nice to do projects on, and it stores a ton of stuff. Over here, we have this cute little bench. We use this for photo shoots. It's just a prop. We have some cute pillows that I made recently. This was a envelope pillow tutorial. You can find that on our YouTube channel. And we have this mantle, which we always use for Christmas videos. We love to decorate it, even other holidays. And I always get questions about this. So this is not actual brick. This is just wallpaper, and I purchased it from Target. It's actually a textured wallpaper, so it looks really realistic, and we use that in all of our videos. You can just buy sheets of it and put it up. It goes up really easily, and it comes down pretty easily. Up here, we have all of our paper rolls. We use those whenever we have a photo shoot or a video shoot. I will pull those down, and then we just take photos in here. So let's go ahead and head into the next room. So in here, we have our main filming room. This is where we film all of our Cricut tutorials and our sewing tutorials. So these are the lights that we use. It took a little bit to kind of figure this room out and get everything lit properly. We also have a camera that's overhead. So this is how I capture all of our overhead video. This is nice because it's actually mounted into the ceiling, so it's super sturdy. It doesn't move around. I also keep a microphone on here, so it really easily picks up everything that I'm saying. I have a zoom lens on here so I can zoom in or out depending on what we're working on. It's really nice. We have these lights that kind of bounce off on our background, and then this big, beautiful light here. The best thing is this table, though. I have to show you this table because it goes up and down, which has been so amazing for filming craft videos, because sometimes when I'm sewing, I want to sit down and film a video. Sometimes I want to be standing up. So this table has been really a lifesaver. Over here, a little more storage. Usually I will have one of our employees kind of prep us before we film anything, and she'll put all of my supplies over here so that they're easily accessed. And we have a lot of chargers and supplies down there. Usually this area is a lot messier. We had to do a lot of cleaning to get it to this point. So don't believe everything you see. And then back here is our new board. This is brand new, actually. We just got it and I'm obsessed with it, but the company went out of business. So it's really neat though. I always tell people, if you have a craft room, make sure to get some sort of a pegboard, just because it makes it so easy to organize what you have. If you have supplies that you're consistently using over and over, put them on a pegboard so that you can see them and you can access them easily. Over here, again, we have more of those paper backdrops, and they're just on this pulley system. And this is great whenever we want to do photos in here. So over here, we have one more organizer, and this is where I keep all of my Cricut machines. You might have seen that we launched a Cricut course recently. So if you have a Cricut and you're having a hard time with it, or you need a little bit of help, you should definitely check out our Cricut course. It covers the Cricut Joy, the Cricut Explore Air 2, and the Maker. There are a ton of videos. I think it's over 50 videos. So really an incredible course. I'm gonna link to that below as well. And then down here, we just keep our easy presses and a few more supplies. And then over on this side of the room, I have all of our sewing machines. I also have our iron, which I'm obsessed with that iron. So we also have a sewing course, which is why we have so many different sewing machines. So we work with a company called Janome. It's a sewing machine company, and they create really incredible sewing machines. It's what I've sewn on my entire life. So I have a bunch of them so that we can use different ones with our videos. If you're new to sewing, or maybe you're struggling with sewing, definitely check out our sewing course. It's called Ready, Set, Sew, and it is so much fun. We have an amazing group of students right now, so you'll definitely want to take a look at that. And then over here, we have more paper organizers. These ones are a little bit sturdier than the ones that we have in the hallway. These are from Create Room, and then these pen holders are as well. So these are just so nice to keep everything organized. So we also just launched a shop, which is called sweetredpoppy.shop, and it is filled with sewing patterns and SVG files, and my favorite, it has a bunch of ebooks, and they're really affordable, really good pricing on those. If you have a Cricut or a sewing machine, you're gonna wanna check those out because our ebooks have been purchased by thousands of students and people really love them. So if you've seen something in here that's caught your eye and you need a little bit of help with those machines, definitely check out our shop.
Thanks so much for visiting us here at our new office at Sweet Red Poppy. We're so excited to show it to you. We hope that it inspires you to create and to try something new, whether it's sewing or Cricut. We're here for you. Our educational products will really help you out. So thanks again for visiting our studio here at Sweet Red Poppy.
If you have any questions about anything that you saw in our studio, make sure to leave a comment below and I will give you a link for that. We'll see you next week.